She's what? But she's 16 divided by I don't know. 8? No. Okay, so hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here, and in this video I'm going to be doing an IQ test. I just want to see what my IQ is like, how smart I am, but well, I know that an IQ doesn't necessarily determine how smart you are as a person, as a human being, but I thought why not just do this IQ test just for fun, you know, and for my own personal benefit, just to know. So I've never taken one of these tests before, so I don't really know what to expect, but I do know that it's standardized, so I can expect like some multiple choice or some true and false here and there, you know. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm seeing different IQ tests here. I may do 1 or 2 IQ tests. So 1, 2, 3 tests. Let's do this one. I hope I don't have to pay to do these. This one looks paid. Alright, let me go for a different one. IQtest.com. Put your mind to the test, the world's leading online IQ test. Okay, let's take the test. Click here to start. To test your IQ. Okay, instructions for IQ. You must work mentally. Do not use pencil or paper or a calculator during this test. Alright, well let's go. Right. What? The timer was already on? The word mineral can be spelled using pardon. Which one? Sure. This sequence of 4 words, triangle, glove, clock, bicycle, corresponds to this sequence of numbers. 3, 5, 12, 2. Triangle 3, glove 5 fingers, clock 12 by true. If written backwards, the number 1125 would be written 5211. I'm gonna say true, it seems right. If a round analog clock featuring numbers 1 to 12 is hung on the wall upside down, the minute hand will point to the right of the viewer when the clock reads 2:45. 2:45. You know what? True. No, wait. Ooh. Each of the words auction, dedication, and caution use the same letter. I have to say true. It looked true. 9 chickens, 2 dogs, and 3 cats have a total of 40 legs. 9 chickens. So 2 times 9 is 18. 2 dogs. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 plus 18. And 3 cats. 3 times 4 is 12. If the word tan is written under the word sly and the word TOT is written under tan, then the word SAT is formed diagonally. What? The following disregarding function is spelled the same forwards as it is backwards. Todd erases a red dot. Okay, true. Look so. Yeah. The letters, wait, no, erases. Alright, no. A square whose sides each measure 10 centimeters can completely fit inside of a regular hexagon whose sides each measure 10 centimeters. Okay? 10 centimeters can regular hexagon whose sides measure 10. I think that's true. 3. Robert is taller than John. So this is John. I'm John. This is Robert. Charlie is taller than Robert. John is, yeah, true. 6. Oh, I'm almost done. False. True, and I have to say true again. Stop the timer. 9 minutes 22 seconds. 9 minutes and 22 seconds. Oh, why is it that I feel like I did so bad? 9 minutes and 22 seconds. Ah. Your complete intelligence profile has been generated and can be accessed immediately for only $14.95. An example of what your profile will look like, you care. So I have to pay. What? Why didn't anybody tell me? Well, I didn't see that they had store. I didn't see that they had store up in the corner. I didn't know I had to pay money for an IQ test. Okay, so just a quick update. I actually did end up getting the results from that test that I just did. I'll put them on the screen right here. Turns out that the price that I saw was actually the price of a package. So it would have given me the details about the score that I got. So I didn't get the details or the rankings or whatever, like to tell me if I'm average or above average or whatever. I didn't get that because I would have to pay for that. So because I thought that I did the wrong one, and basically I thought I would have to pay to actually get the score and the results from the test, I ended up doing another one. So continue watching. Okay, let me look for another IQ test. Hopefully one that is free. Okay, this one actually looks kind of legit now. Enter my birth date. Alright. Start the test. Alright, which one of the 5 is least like the other 4? Which one of the 5 is least like the other 4? Dog, mouse, lion, snake. I have to say snake, cause yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. 13. Probably 21. I'm gonna say 21. Mary, who's 16 years old, is 4 times as old as her brother. I hate math. I hate math questions. I remember this on my math exams I don't like. She's what? But she's 16 divided by I don't know. 8? No. Shit. You know, I don't care. Wait, no. Finger stand as leaf is to what? Branch? Hand, finger. Leaf, not twig. I wouldn't say branch. I'm going to say branch. Here's a number that is quarter of half of 1/5 of 200. Quarter of a half. Look right. If all bloops are razzes and all razzes are lazies, all bloops are definitely lazies. True. The first thing I saw here is legend, but A is there. And there's not 2 E's. I don't know. It's not the ocean. You know what? Country is the safest bet. They have some weird countries, some weird named countries out there. Which of the figures below the line of drawings best completes the series? Mathematics. Okay, it would have to be up. So it's either B or C. I'm gonna go with B. Last question. Which of the figures below the line of drawings best completes the series? Okay, probably A. Get results. I'm glad that this isn't a scam like the first one. You have an IQ of 120. See what your score means. Let me see the IQ test score guide to see if that's good or not. The IQ test score bell curve. Whoa. 70% of people fall within this range. So my one is 120, so that's actually above average. Wow, Blaise Pascal, Charles Darwin, Albert Einstein. So 115 to 129 is above average. Oh, not highly intelligent. I'm above average. Not bad, not bad. At least I'm not average, you know. That was pretty interesting. That was pretty interesting. I definitely suggest that you guys take this test. It's actually really fun. Find some kind of IQ test to do. It's really fun. It's a lot of fun. And yeah, so that's gonna wrap up the video for today. I really enjoyed doing that test, and I think that you guys will too. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and continue to show some support to the channel. It means the world. And yeah, so see you next time.